ye pa etimi e dia ma me ma yen chance ye wa ha na etoma na wako wi no ho na wako akoye dwuma ze bibia aboko de
abonyame adome bia e kama
we me ne ya ba everyone be fine anama Denver Nuggets for abomodi antijuma de no enisi omo na so fa yewura mu kakra
abu omo fa playoff bracket in fantasy and share nkomo na say it started from scratch enda ho machi na edi bibia kokogu ya na say and the Denver Nuggets e winning omo first ever NBA championship in two share from round 1 to the conference semi-finals to the finals in the East and the West. East, Miami Heat, they winning the conference final, and then in the West it was the Denver Nuggets. So in the series, Denver Nuggets winning 4-1. Endra, Onya a 5-point victory over Miami Heat. A man is a 4-1 series win. Now we're winning the first championship for the first time in the franchise history. The 47th consecutive season of the NBA. Now, according to the next slide now, Oben will say, in the history of the NBA, Team BN were consistently without a major titler. Or winning the first title, and there's a actual passing Denver Nuggets. No, it has never happened. To course, second one now, Oben clearly. Exactly what I'm talking about 47 consecutive seasons. Emfa. Until the 47th season, no, and a Denver Nuggets at the AJ or more NBA championship. Now, it's almost the one season more, and they beat the Cleveland Cavaliers, about LeBron James, the Omoje in 2016. And then the Detroit Pistons won it with the likes of Isaiah Thomas more in 1989. Omo it was the 41st season and more in the NBA. So Denver Nuggets, they are not 47th. Now, how have they been able to achieve this? Courtesy 2-star men in Jamal Murray and then also Nikola Jokic. But Jokic to the next one, number 3. And also Ewini in 2021 and Nikola Jokic Abewini in 2023. So that is how special the whole occasion is for him. But Jokic, you see, you can't be say Bibi Sikwa.
Yes.
We are say things don't happen by chance. At times, something miraculous, something accidental. But Bibi na kwatri Bibi deba. And to the next slide, you see a young Nikola Jokic or a Denver Nuggets sweatshirt. This is yours. Boston Celtics be a normal GD kakra, but name is Ruby San Antonio Spurs. But the Denver Nuggets were never a major NBA franchise in the year 2000. But obi the better na atade we. Atade we the better no. And watch the picture. According to the next slide now, Jokic Nankasa will recognize this significant part of their life. On the picture nature picture so or the picture nature picture. Now he's showing us something. Maybe had a dream. Maybe he started falling in love with the Denver Nuggets at a very young age. Time I in Yesano, Minya Penny, Yamano, Mario Basler Jesse of Borussia Dortmund. It grew up a love affair between Onene Borussia Dortmund. No creators answer Peter Schmeichel Jesse, goalkeeper Jesse Man U. He's a Man U fan, he's a Dortmund fan. In Tebi at the Woody Yinino. Ana unya odoma padi won. But if there was any basketball team time on unyina or best support here, Chicago Bulls or the LA Lakers, but it was the Denver Nuggets at the age of 5 or Statisha almost sweatshirt. Now at the age of 28 or the Denver Nuggets at the NBA championship. And that is how history is, that's how everything is. But it wasn't just Nikola Jokic. Jamal Murray sumaboni din. Now Jokic no nebusia ana krekre ni mu apeja na bedroom pempen so ono so adri. For Jamal Murray, ono so nebusia sa na ye de amano. He's also a young boy born in Canada. Canada ne wo na tete na ne papa trained him from the age of 3. Jamal Murray no, you training no from the age of 3. Say ombo basketball. Wow. And he said, "Oh, demo so what he the papa was always making sure that there was a hoop around her. Murray bet me to ball." And so and that was how he developed his basketball love affair. Now, Jamal Murray will develop an injury. Obenya an ACL injury into the whole of last season. One ball basketball, but last 2 seasons, he did not play a single competitive basketball game. Or return, he did not really settle into the stride, into taking the time kakra. Asana Jamal Murray, Eba settle. Please move on to the next slide. Into Obe settler, what happens is that he will refine the form. No one making sure say he would deliver the goods when the need arises. And Jamal Murray complemented Nikola Jokic perfectly. And that's why I said it's a family affair. Murray no ne papa na eboano. Jokic no ni nuanu mienu ana ebanti ewie now say ni nuanu mienu ba ko afa no Strahinja ene Matia o ma fa no edine tutu o mo kon ho a. It is because he has made the family proud. Endra as at 2 a.m. in Serbia na man for repair na e kai me memories of when Azuma Nelson was in his prime. Na o kontokwa Ghana o BSC pe say o Azuma Nelson. That was what happened in Serbia. So he's just somebody who has inspired a lot. And it has been a very good week for Serbia for no. Was a Djokovic Aje 23rd Grand Slam or a Serb. Then Nikola Jokic Enzo Aje the NBA Championship Finals MVP. So it means that they are making themselves proud in association sports. Then to coach Michael Malone. So Michael Malone, ne papa Brendan Malone. Ne papa was part of the Pistons team Omoje the NBA Championship in 89-90 no, but no assistant coach. Ne papa and they introduced into basketball coaching. And Michael Malone in 2005 was assistant, part of the technical team of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Nane Papano was also part of the coaching setup. In 2013, Michael Malone began the first head coach job. It was Sacramento Kings. Obefani Papa Juma. And to Emodiano, Papano Fane Bane Juma. And also Fane Papa Juma. Exactly in 2013. But he will be sacked from the Sacramento Kings when they bear 5 months crowd. Why? Because now record near poor. 2015, Yasaki in 2013 year. In 2015, the Denver Nuggets went for him. And they've stuck with him throughout. After 8 years, he's made them a champion and he's made himself a champion. Wow. And today, Papani, we need championship as an assistant. He's won the championship as a head coach. So, a beautiful family story, and that is the story of a Denver Nuggets, the new NBA champion.
Mante, made us a power marker, sorry about that, of course.